Opposite, across from. Opposite means across from. If two apartments are opposite each other, then they are across from each other or across the hall from each other. Opposite homes are across the street from one another. Adjacent means next to. So if two apartments are adjacent to each other, then they are next to each other or on the same side of the hallway, with a common wall. Adjacent homes are next to each other or on the same side of the block, and in geometry, when two angles are adjacent, then they are next to each other, and opposite angles are across from each other. Supplementary angles are adjacent angles, which sum to 180 degrees, and complementary angles are adjacent angles, which sum to 90 degrees. Vertical angles are angles which are opposite from one another and are equal. Quote, vertical, end quote, angles are not necessarily up and down, but are across from each other or opposite each other. In geometry, opposite means across from. Antonyms: adjacent, related words, vertical angles.